Want smooth, even stitches on your Brother LS14s sewing machine? It all starts with inserting and threading the lower part correctly. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, you want to slide open the bobbin compartment at the front of the machine. This is where the bobbin case sits. It's important to always use the correct bobbin type that comes with your machine. Using the wrong size or a bobbin from another model can cause stitching problems and may even damage your machine. Next, you want to place your bobbin in the bobbin compartment with the thread unwinding to the left side. If the thread unrolls to the wrong direction, it can cause incorrect thread tension, tangled stitches, or even needle breakage. Now hold the end of the thread, pressing the bobbin down gently with your finger and pass it under the thread tension spring. This keeps your lower thread at the correct tension while sewing. Now you want to raise the presser foot, taking both the upper and lower threads and gently pull them towards the back, making sure that they rest on the needle plate underneath the presser foot. Now turn the hand wheel on the side of the machine towards you to lower the needle. This will catch the bobbin thread and bring it up through the needle plate. You will see the upper thread loop around the bobbin thread and pull it upwards. Now take your seam ripper to pull the bobbin thread up through the needle plate. Once it's out, bring both the upper and lower threads towards the back of the machine. It's very important to pull the threads to the back before you start sewing. This will help to prevent any tangles. Now take your bobbin cover and close the bobbin compartment until it clicks into place, keeping the thread tails at the back. The final step is to place a piece of fabric under the presser foot and sew a few stitches. If the bobbin is inserted correctly, your stitches will appear smooth and even on both sides. And that's how you correctly thread the lower bobbin on your Brother sewing machine. If you found this video helpful, please share it with a friend and subscribe to help grow our sewing community.